What's the meaning of cipher? Cipher. Cipher.
Cipher. Cipher. The term cipher can refer to multiple meanings, but it most commonly refers to a secret code or message. A cipher is created by using mathematical algorithms to encode plain text into a non-readable form. Only someone who knows the algorithm or has a key can decode the cipher and read the original message. Ciphers have been used throughout history for espionage, military communication, and personal privacy. Today, with the increased use of technology, ciphers are used in computer security and online encryption to protect sensitive information from hackers.